my God, the world's coming to an end. It's 5:32. What did I said that? Is that done yet? Yeah, it's done. Okay. So, we have a real world here. We've got a big mess going on with Bird. He thinks he's going to be suing somebody. We have a bigger mess going on with PDF. He thinks he's going to sue somebody. We have a huge problem with 303. You see, 303 was throttled. His throttle was pulled back. And by losing his job, he has no incentive to keep his life straight now. The only thing he has is drama, and that's something that concerns us. Now, Liberty Bird, on the other hand, he's got all the drama that he can handle. He's been called out so many different ways, and all the excuses that a sex offender or someone like that, oh, well, I was drunk at a time. She shouldn't have tried to come in and take advantage of a married man when I was drunk. Oh, right, okay. Yeah, so we're listening to all this coming from a practiced liar. First thing off the top of his head, practiced lie. We have Tyrant Wars. That's an interesting problem with Tyrant Wars, because he's actually gathering everything. Now, the confessions and stuff like that from these people are one thing, but as it is concerning their pattern of behavior, the deception, the lies, oh, well, we got to have PayPal now, and trying to become the most popular person on the block, they're not managing to do that. The only thing they've proven is the fact that they're hypocrites. What? Nobody coming in the stream? Come on in, folks. You see, I've got plenty of answers for these lawsuits that PDF and Liberty Bird, because Liberty Bird and 303 is included in this suit too. I don't care how many times I have to file it. I've got so many violations, I can file each violation separately. I have them confessing the fact that the reason why they're doing it is because of a lawsuit, and I have them on record. On record. Okay, using the sex offender registration as a federal offense and a state offense, and then also attacking the witnesses in the case, which is a federal and state offense as well. Now, mind you, let's not let that overshadow their good work with Austin's when Eric Brent was in town and the mess that created. They were exposed then as fly-by-night, as flying by the seat of their pants, okay, and not concerned about anyone else except themselves. The least little bit of pressure that comes on them, officially, they cave like... So, we have PDF trying to separate himself from me. Sorry, PDF, you can't do it, man. You know the Anonymous Farms video that I created? That was actually originally created for you. And then you pulled some shit, and I changed the ending and gave it to Anonymous Farms instead. That was originally your bump, dude. With all the technology for poor dirt farmer. Yeah, you're a poor dirt farmer that has access to robotics. I mean, that's really going to be pinnacle. And there's a lot of people and a lot of these farmers that have underground, built in the 50s and 60s, bunkers. Underground places they can store their farm equipment. The only thing I do is just throw down, a half pipe and throw some dirt on top of it. You've got a bunker. And you're outside of prying eyes, whether you're a satellite or otherwise, right? There's quite a few of them farmers around here. You have to know about it in order to, or have qualifications that these people might want to use, such as working with armor previously. So you have to have something that you can prove and show these people in order to be involved with them at all.